Hello and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey. And today I'm using the Ooni Koda to cook pizza using your dough recipe. Let's go make it. Good to go. Let's get this in. Check if it's moving. Blow the excess semolina off before I put it in. Let's put it in. Try. Must say, one thing I'm going to say about this dough recipe, it was really easy to stretch. My stone was really hot, so my oven got really hot really quick for winter time, and it did throw me off guard. So it went over temperature and then I had to bring it down. I think that's probably why it's got a bit hot at the back. got it thin because it was so easy to stretch. I got it a lot thinner than I normally get my no. Lovely crispy crust. And a nice base cook. About this cook, about the dough recipe, I really like the stretch. I know you've waited a few months for me to make this. I just wanted to see how it came out under my climate and my process, my fridge temperature, and my room temperature will be different, and that will affect the way that the dough comes out. But I'm just grateful for you sending it to me because I have learned something about the stretch. Thank you very much. Very nice.